Good day, everyone. A little speculation of an impending rescue of debt-laden Greece has eased the world equity markets. However, it would still remain uncertain and gloomy due to local and global cues. Indian markets expected to be positive at the start. Nifty would continue to dangle between 4,700 to 4,900 levels. Global sentiments should remain positive on a consistent basis if the Nifty has to cross 5,000 level. FII selling has to subside. US stocks ended in the red on Wednesday as investors weighed the Greek debt situation, a strong dollar, and Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke's plan for executing exit from an ultra-loose monetary policy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 20 points to end at 10,038.38. Nasdaq Composite Index shed 3 points to finish at 2,147.87. FTSE of UK rose 0.4%, with DAX of Germany up by 0.7%, and French CAC index rose by 0.6%. All indexes closed off earlier highs. Nikkei and Taiwan would remain closed. Hang Seng is trading up by 1%. China markets set to start trade post 9 IST. China's Jan consumer prices up less than expected 1.5%, but wholesale prices jumped 4.3%. The markets would remain in a consolidation mode, at least in the loom of the railway and the union budget. Depending on the note from the finance minister, the market is expected to remain oblique in Turkey. Other factors which need to watch for the future are monsoons, earnings, valuations, funds flow, inflation, interest rates, policy announcements if any, and global events. A downward trend is expected until there is a clarity on the global end. The news is Hindalco to raise Rs 49 billion via debt. Kingfisher Airlines plans to raise Rs 4 billion via one-to-one rights issue. Fortis to raise 12.5 billion by issuing shares in domestic and international markets. The tips are Grasim to buy at current market price of Rs 2,701, which is targeted at Rs 2,900, and the stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 2,640. Pantaloons to buy at Rs 420, where the target price is Rs 440, and the stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 411. On the F&O side, it is a buy on HCC at Rs 135, where the target price is Rs 142, and the stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 133. And a sell on HDFC at Rs 1,951, where the target price is 1,630, and the stop loss is to be maintained at 1,575. Thank you. Have a good day.